In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily integrate your Google account with Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com, enabling a streamline between your documents and the Pipedrive platform. This connection is a fantastic way to keep everything organized and at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, what you'll need to do is head over to your web browser and go to the home page of Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com. This is your main hub for all things Pipedrive, and it's here where the journey begins. Once you're on the home page, look towards the menu for the option labeled Documents. Clicking on this will lead you to a section dedicated to managing your file integrations. Once in the Document section, you'll notice a button labeled Connect. You'll want to go ahead and click this. This step is crucial as it starts the process of linking your documents to the platform, allowing seamless sharing and syncing. After clicking this button, you will be prompted to select your Google account. This link is vital since it connects Pipedrive with your Google account, giving you the capacity to manage your files directly from Pipedrive. Select the Google account you want to link. If you're not already signed in, you may be asked to do so. Having selected the appropriate Google account, look for the option to continue. Clicking this will initiate the permission process, where you'll authorize Pipedrive to access your Google Drive and the associated files. This permission ensures that files can be accessed and edited as needed between the two platforms. You may have to confirm this action twice through prompts that request your explicit consent to share and access data between the applications. These prompts are standard, and it's important to understand that what you're allowing is a collaboration feature that only you will have control over. Finally, completing these steps takes you back to the Pipedrive interface where you'll see the connection has been established successfully. This integration means you can now easily pull documents from your Google Drive, edit them through Pipedrive, and maintain an organized cloud-based repository of all your important files. In summary, this process not only enhances your productivity, but also simplifies the management of your documents by having them all available in one place. It's a really efficient way to keep everything you need at your fingertips without having to constantly switch between platforms or worry about version control. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. By following these steps, you've now successfully connected your Google account to Virtual Assistant 5.pipedrive.com, enabling smarter workflow management. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to ask any questions if you need further clarification.